Hi, today I'm making a watermelon, feta, and basil salad. Uh, Watermelon is in season, and so I thought it'd be fun to make this salad. So my garden has basil, and so quite a bit of basil. So I actually cut a nice hefty piece, and I brought it in and wanted to clean it. So it's important that you make sure it's rinsed very well and rub the leaves to make sure that it's clean. Next, I'm going to pat it dry. I think that's important that it be dry so it doesn't add any extra moisture to the salad. It's already, a very light summer salad, so we don't need any extra moisture. The next thing I'm going to do is begin making my salad dressing. So it's a little bit of a a lemon vinaigrette. I know some people use lime. I happen to like lemon. You're going to squeeze a half a lemon into a measuring cup and then add 2 tablespoons of honey. And I mix that well. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1/8 of a cup of light virgin olive oil and 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. And I mix that again to make sure that all the ingredients are combined. And next I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of red onion. I'm going to slice that thin and go ahead and chop up my basil. So I used about 1/2 cup of basil for this recipe. And just chop it a nice rough chop. I add my onions and my basil to the watermelon with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add, I have like a 7-ounce, 8-ounce box of feta cheese. And so I used about half of that for this salad. This salad serves about 4 people. And then I pour my dressing over the salad. And then I'm going to toss the ingredients, okay? So this is a really light dressing. And just toss the ingredients gently. And I'm going to refrigerate for an hour. Now, this recipe is great if you're going to have a barbecue and you're going to go and serve it, pretty quickly. It doesn't do that great overnight. However, it is a very fresh and refreshing salad. Wonderful for all the summer holidays.